This is Lee Hao. As you know, EinScan H2 is good for human body scanning. And from this 1.3 version, this one brand new thing we added is to support our FootStation, which is a pretty useful add-on to help you scan foot or other soft objects which are hard to turn around easily. What it does is that we have this small stand which is both profitable and easy to use, which contains a layer of glass and markers and another layer of reflective mirrors on the bottom. This will help you to scan both top and bottom surface at the same time. And meanwhile, in our software, it's possible to help you to automatically stitch both sides together and give you a final results without any extra operation. So let's take a look at how this FootStation works. To use the FootStation, we start with the Twilight Mode. And after we start a new program group, foot scan. Now you need to scan the FootStation alignment under the Align mode. After that, you will need the FootStation marker file to be loaded, which you can find by downloading it from the Shiny 3D Passport website. You can go to our Shiny 3D Passport website, log in your account, then bind the FootStation with the serial number at the bottom of the FootStation. Then you will be able to download the .p3 file. Now go back to the software. Here, you can click on this mark to import the configuration file. Locate the file you just downloaded, and then you can click on Confirm to start. Now, let's start with the left foot first. During the scanning, make sure you maintain a good scan distance. You can also change the brightness of the scan settings so that you get the most of the data. If the customer wears white sock, you might need to lower the brightness in order to gain more data during the scanning. After you finish scanning, just click on Optimizing and Generate Point Cloud. There's no need to do extra operation to clean up the data. Now we can click on the bottom left to switch to the right foot. After you finish scanning the right foot, you can also click on Generating the Point Cloud. Then, if you're satisfied with both of the foot scanning, we can click on the mesh to go mesh the scan data. The workflow is just by one click, and you don't need to do any setup. The software will automatically stitch data together and clean up all the data, and you will be getting 2 foot at the same time.